Welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don Bullock. This week I had a chance to go to the San Diego Fair. Now you're probably wondering, what in the world did the San Diego Fair have to do with fine woodworking? Well, each year since 1982, the San Diego Fair and the San Diego Fine Woodworkers Association have put on an exhibition for woodworkers called Design in Wood. It's one of the biggest and best juried woodworking exhibitions in the southwest of the United States. I tried to videotape the exhibition while I was there, but due to the poor lighting and a loud band that was outside playing, I had to scrap the footage for videotape. I was afraid that YouTube would ding me for the copyright violations on the music. But I was able to photograph some of the highlights that I liked of the show. So here's what I liked. Even though we were at the fair on a Thursday, it was quite crowded. This is a display case with some exceptional bird carvings. I thought this guy was quite humorous. This turtle sculpture is outstanding. There was also some beautiful intarsia work in the show. This is just two examples. This is an overview of the Design in Wood area. This particular table I thought had great details. Here's some of them. My wife especially liked this mahogany and cherry table. A table cut in the shape of the state of California. I'm especially a fan of zebra wood and walnut combined. This model of a Viking ship was tiny, but the detail was astounding. This bench is one way to use up all your scrap wood. Another view of some of the display areas. This is a mahogany desk with inlay of mother of pearl and abalone. I thought that this was a beautiful desk and it was very well designed. Two matching chests with a lot of inlay work. A beautiful Bombay chest. Look at the grain match on those drawer fronts. A nice tall chest. By far, what I thought was the most beautiful and well done piece of the show was this beautiful green and green dresser. I noticed that Fine Woodworking agreed with me and gave it their best in show, but it only got second place in its own class. Some of the beautiful detail work on the chest. Members from the association volunteer to work at this 19th century cabinet shop. They learn how to make wooden chairs using tools that most of us don't even own anymore. The chairs are donated to needy children throughout San Diego County area. Visitors get to see tools and techniques being used that they have never seen before, and the woodworkers interact with them. It's a great way to get people interested in woodworking. Well, that's just a small example of the work that's in the Design and Exhibition this year. If you get a chance to go to the county fair, I suggest that you visit the Design in Wood exhibition. You'll be glad you did. The San Diego Fine Woodworkers Association has a website where you can go and check out photos of many of the past winners of the Design in Wood exhibition. I'd suggest that you do that. You might get some inspiration. While you're there, especially those of you that live in the San Diego area, might want to check on association membership. The association does a lot of community service work in the San Diego area, and they have a fall seminar every year that's wonderful to attend. As a member, I even get a discount at many of the woodworking stores in town and some of the lumber yards. If you like this video, please remember to hit the thumbs up down below and leave any comments or ask any questions. For those of you that have already subscribed to our channel, we thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed yet, we suggest you do so this time. Thank you all very much for watching.